Buying or selling a home involves several key steps. First, for buyers, it's crucial to assess your finances and get pre-approved for a mortgage to determine your budget. Then, start searching for properties that meet your criteria, whether through online listings, real estate agents, or attending open houses. Once you find a home you love, make an offer, negotiate the price and terms, and reach an agreement with the seller. Next, you'll need to schedule a home inspection to assess the property's condition and address any issues that arise. If all looks good, proceed with finalizing your mortgage and completing the necessary paperwork with your lender. For sellers, the process begins with preparing your home for sale, including staging, repairs, and setting the right price based on market conditions. Then, list your home on the market, either independently or with the help of a real estate agent, and field offers from potential buyers. Negotiate the terms of the sale, including the price, contingencies, and closing date. And once you accept an offer, proceed with the closing process. This typically involves coordinating with the buyer, their lender, and a title company to finalize the sale and transfer ownership of the property. Throughout the process, it's essential to stay organized, communicate effectively with all parties involved, and seek guidance from real estate professionals as needed to ensure a smooth transaction.